Seed starting is a very exciting step in gardening. And when it comes to growing a plant from seeds, it takes a lot of energy, effort, and time. But when we make silly mistakes while seed starting, all our energy, effort, and time goes in vain, right? So today we will talk few do's and don'ts of seed starting because avoiding these mistakes is very important to have a vibrant and successful garden, whether you are a beginner or a seasoned gardener. Let's get started. The first and very common mistake that we all do is not choosing the proper growing medium for sowing seeds, that is, the soil mix in which we sow the seeds. It plays a very important role in seed germination. It should be soft, fluffy, and capable of retaining moisture for longer. So, choose coco peat as a medium for sowing seeds. You can mix 10% vermicompost also at this stage for nutrition. Coco peat is lightweight and it retains moisture for longer, which helps seeds in germination. While sowing seeds in bare garden soil is a big no, as it gets really compact after watering, causing difficulty for seed germination. Before sowing seeds, make sure you have good quality viable seeds with good germination rate. Because if you sow bad quality seeds, all your efforts will go waste. So always buy seeds from trusted sources. Also make sure you don't sow seeds too deep or too shallow in the soil. Sowing seeds too deep can reduce or nil the chances of germination. Similarly, sowing seeds too shallow or not covering it with growing medium from top can cause other issues, like birds can eat the uncovered seeds. Also, seeds won't hold enough moisture for germination. So follow a thumb rule of sowing seeds deeper 2 to 3 times of the seed size, while the bigger size seeds like beans and bottlegourds etc. should be sown 1 to 2 inches deeper. Also prepare seedlings in tray or small cups or small pots, because if your garden has rodents, then sowing seeds directly in the garden is not the good idea, as they will end up eating all the seeds. So prepare your seedlings, and once they have true leaves, transfer them to the garden. After sowing seeds, maintaining moisture in the medium is very important, but no need to underwater or overwater your seeds. Underwatering will obviously not help your seeds to germinate, while overwatering can cause seed rotting. So make sure to water your seeds once or twice a day, that too after checking its medium. If it feels dry, then only water. If it feels wet, don't do it. Also, while watering your seeds or seedlings, do it gently. Use some bottle or some spray bottle for watering. Make sure you don't damage your seedlings while watering, just do it gently. Good amount of sunlight and warmth in the growing medium is very important for seed germination. So once you sow the seeds, don't forget to keep it in bright, direct or indirect sunlight. It should get adequate lights, either natural or with artificial grow lights, for a strong, compact growth. Because insufficient light can result in lesser germinated seeds or weak and leggy seedlings growth. Unseasonal planting is another very common mistake in seed starting. It is very important to know the season of any vegetable or flower to grow from seeds, because various unfavorable environmental conditions can hinder seed germination, such as temperature extremes, that is, too cold or too hot temperature inhibits the germination process. Pest and diseases risk can be there in unseasonal planting, and so many other factors. So, always do some research before buying some seeds or sowing them to avoid all the efforts go in vain. I hope you find today's video helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more such interesting plant care videos, and share this to other plant lovers as well. And don't make such silly mistakes while starting seeds. See you soon with one more interesting video. Bye bye.